Okay, for creating our circuit, if you need to, please watch the basic soldering video or the alternatives to soldering video. And always please remember wear your safety glasses while cutting, stripping, or soldering the wire. Safety is your responsibility. These are the components that we're going to be putting together into our circuit, so lay those out according to this diagram that is part of your PDF. Battery snap, gear motor, switch, and these are the places where we will be soldering. So you want to start out by stripping the ends of your wires, probably a 1/4 to 1/2 inch long. It's always easier if there's a little extra to work with. We're going to attach the black wires from the battery snap to the switch just simply by bending them around the terminal, and the black wire from the gear motor, we're going to do the same. Bend that around very carefully, and then we're just going to take the red wires of those two components and twist those together. We'll be soldering those after we get that secured. So a pretty easy circuit to put together for this. We'll start with the switch. I'll get those into the helping hands. I like to hold on to the wires kind of tightly so that it's easy to grip. This is the actual switch we'll be soldering, but what I want to do is show a close-up of how we get in there and solder the wires to those little terminal areas. So get in kind of close and just fill in the gaps with the solder. Back to our switch, we're going to solder both of the black wires into the switch terminals. And you got to get in there kind of close and get it melted in there. Okay, good. I kind of missing the camera there. Now we're just going to solder the twisted red wires together. That can usually be held by one alligator clip on the helping hands. Get that soldered. That's usually pretty quick and easy. Then I cut a short piece of electrical tape and wrap it around that last solder joint. That helps to prevent it from touching any other place and causing a short circuit. Now we can connect the battery, give it a test. Everything looks good. Let's build the wheels.